Hello guys, I've just made a script and I'm happy about it. So I'd like to show you and show some cool stuff that I've recently discovered. Well, you're seeing me by this webcam here, and how am I doing this? This is made by this script here. Ignore this. I don't know how to make proper documentation of help and stuff like this, but the code is here. I'm going to talk about how is it constructed. So the first thing that I wanted to show you is a program that most Linux systems have, that is called ffmpeg. ffmpeg is a program that can convert a file to like a media file, like mp4 to mpeg and stuff like that. And you can also record screens, record webcams. Anyway, this program also comes with another program called ffplay, and ffplay does this. Let me show you. Here I'm at a folder, and this folder has some videos. So I'm going to show you one of the videos, and I will do that with MPV. Like, okay, it's running. A video is being played by MPV, that is a video player. Okay, but I could also play this video using ffplay, like this. The same thing is happening here. Alright, what is different that I'm going to do from this to my script? My script takes not a file. Let me close this video. I don't know what's going to be showed here. The last command I showed you opened a file and run it inside a ffplay player. But you also can do this. ffplay as I with the I option, and this option says that the next argument that we're gonna give to this command tells us what's the font. Like, I believe if I done this, it would open the video again, but I cannot only open a file, as I can also open a webcam. Like my webcam, and probably yours too, is at /dev/video0. And when I play this, okay, it's busy because I'm using my webcam. But if I use this command here, it opens my webcam as a window, and it's playing just fine. Awesome. This is pretty much what this script here does. This is I can talk about this later, but the core part of my script is this function here, and it is called open webcam. It takes a direction, so I can open webcam here in the bottom right, or in the upper right, or in the top left, or in the left bottom, or even in full screen mode. And how do I do that? I take the direction as the first argument for this function, and the second argument for this function is the quality that I'm gonna use for the video. So If the quality is low, the recording resolution is gonna be, let me show you my face because maybe you like it. If the quality is low, then the webcam width and height will be 640 by 480. Else it will be this resolution here that is difficult for me to say, and I'm not gonna try it. So based on this, I calculate the height of this window here that is being shown, and also by the first argument in the sequence, I can calculate how much do I need to get this window here far from the beginning, from the 0, 0 position of the screen. So I need to get it fasted. Not a fasted. It is. I must make sure that the distance is set. The distance in the y direction and in the x direction. So I make a distance. I calculate the distance from the top of the screen and a distance from the left of the screen. This is my nose is running. All right. Else, if my direction is not southeast or northeast, then it is that I'm going to open the window as full screen. So opening the window as in the southeast is like it is right now in the southeast. If I wanted to open it in the northeast direction, I would do this. So I can open the window in various directions. And this is it. How do I open the window? I didn't show you. I can do something like this, toggle webcam, and tell me what's the direction that I want to run. If I want to run the window right here, I want to tell the program that I'm going to use that direction, and the direction is south, and west. So west. my camera is rotated, like not rotated, it's flipped. So southwest. What it does, it changes my location to the southeast of the screen. Screen, not screen. And if I run the code, the command again with no arguments, like it closes the instance of ffmpeg. And how am I doing this without actually opening a terminal? This is because I also use a program that is called, it's different, it's SXHKD, and what this program does is that is a hotkey demo. And what it means, it's a program that is meant for you to save hotkeys to do commands for you without you having to open a terminal and write by the hand. So I have my configuration file for this program, and here wait, what is it? Toggle here. No. here. Here I say to SXHKD that I want to press Alt plus X and in a sequence, W for webcam, X for execute, W for webcam. This is just something that I created. You can do any way you like the hotkey. And if I do Alt X K L, then it opens the webcam in the northeast. If you do not know where am I taking this from, it's because in Vim, left equals to H, and down equals to J, and key is up, and L is right. This is clear for me. If you don't like it, you can take my code here and extend or change it to the way you want. But this is how I use it. And then I bind some keys from my keyboard that makes sense. So if I want to do full screen, I can do like this: Alt X, W, F, and now I'm full screen. If I want to open it in the northeast, I can do Alt X, W, K, and L for the direction. So all of this is in my dot file, so you can check it out if you want. And that's about it for this video. This part here, if you know any way that I can do this in a better manner, please tell me. I don't really know. And this part here, this part is the part that handles the toggling of webcam. That's about it. This code is very simple. You can use it, you can change it, you can add to your workflow. And thanks for watching.